Okay, on to the whiskers. First things first, I'm putting them in with an ochre colour, and I'm going lightly. I'm not going straight in with pure white. It's better to go more subdued than to go in really bright and fake looking. So I've got a marl stick there. I'm resting my arm on because I've got to make these marks, you know, quite long, so you can have a bit of a shaky hand there. So this is a light grey. So you're just softening it extra gently with my fingers, working out the position and then drawing it in, and then extremely softly, especially where it goes into the muzzle. Now you can go in or you can go out with it, but the whisker needs to end with, you know, a sharper point, so a bit blunter. You can see I'm really concentrating on making sure it goes softly into that muzzle. That's quite important. And I can make the whiskers even brighter and stand out more. It's totally up to me what I do with these. I don't have to make them as bright as the reference photo. I'm making sure they're not all lining up together as well. And now switching over to the other side, so this time I've got my glassine paper there. Once again making sure these whiskers are going softly into that muzzle fur. I don't need the pencil too sharp, and some of these whiskers, as you can see, are not a bright colour. Just re-establishing a few of those areas first before I drag these whiskers in. So quite confident strokes, and a quick blend, and just keep repeating that and hope for the best. Now if you're getting nervous doing things like this, then, you know, practice on a piece of paper first by the side so you don't get any surprises when you're doing it on the actual drawing. And as I put in the final touches, I really hope you've enjoyed this masterclass drawing. It took a long time to do the drawing, about 20 hours. It took a long time to do the videos as well, but I hope you found it really interesting and you've picked up some new techniques. If you enjoyed this video, I've got hundreds of hours of videos quite similar to it on my Patreon art channel. We've got way over 1,000 members on there as well, and you can continue learning with me from complete beginner all the way up to super advanced on my Patreon art channel. So that's www.patreon.com/wildlife art, and I hope to see you all there really soon.